Let's right hand up, then hands down, palm should be touch on the mat, and inhale, lift your middle body up. Then both palms should be touch on the mat, keep your knees straight. Stretch your back much as possible. Let's slowly bend your right knee and foot touch on the head. Then toe down and toe should be touch on the mat. Yeah. Let's one by one bend your both elbow and down your shoulder portion. Elbow palm should be touch on the mat first. And then try to hold your right toe or ankle joints. It's up to you. Then inhale, lift your left leg up, toe point up and knee should be straight. Hold here minimum 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly come back.